Hey everybody, Scott here. Wanted to show you this portable water pick that I was sent to provide my feedback. So this is a travel size one that you could use to travel with. So obviously this is the box it comes in, and then here on the side are some features of it. One cool feature, it's IPX7 Waterproof. It is rechargeable with USB-C charging, so that's pretty cool. And it's got a 180 milliliter telescopic water tank. So we'll go ahead and open it and take it out of the box here. All right, everybody, got everything out of the box here, so we'll go ahead and show you what's in the box. So you got this nice little travel bag here, which is pretty cool with the company name on it. And then here's your USB-C charging cord. There's your USB-C in, and this end has to charge. You have to plug it into a charger you have. Here's your instruction manual. You'll want to read this before you start using it and everything. So pretty handy instruction manual. And then here's all your tips. You've got 4 jet tips like this. And then 2 of these others, there's the end on that one, and there's the end on that one. Just depending on which you want to use. Here's a mirror that was in the box too. And then here's your warranty card. And then obviously this is the tank that holds your water and the tips go on to. So to fill this up, you can pull it up. Here's one opening or valve, whatever you want to call it, to put water in. You can just put water in that way, then make sure you close this back up tight. And then up here at the top is the same, as you can see. And then here's where your picks go. And then right here is your power button. So you'll want to hold that down. And then you can change the modes like this. So there's your mode button, 5 different modes, as you can see right there. And then when you're done, you just hold the power button, turns it off. Eventually lights will go off. This tank does come all the way off. You do have to kind of hold both pieces and then pull pretty good, and then it just slips back on like that. And then to put these on, choose which one you want to use. You have to push this lock button and unlock button to put them in there first. So you'll have to push it in, then it's in there. Doesn't come undone until you push this lock unlock button again. So looks like it's pretty simple to use. Looks like it'll be a handy oral irrigator or water pick to use. So look forward to using it, but just wanted to show you this that I was sent to provide my feedback.